National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 109, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Carroll, DeKalb, Kane, Lake, Lee, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, and Winnebago, and the following: Lake Michigan from Two Rivers to Sheboygan, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from Sheboygan to Port Washington, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Lake, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from North Point Lake to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA.